which was definitely in focus yesterday. A big fall is what we saw yesterday because of those coupling rules being notified by CERC and being approved by the regulatory body as well. The stock, though, has seen a recovery today. It's up around 7.5%. We'll talk about that in greater detail as well. We spoke to the IEX management as well. But if we look at the markets yet again, because there have been a lot of movers in the mid-cap space in particular, Tatwachintan Pharma, for instance, that is one stock that should come up for you on the screen. That one is up 16% on the back of goods said. After quarters of weakness, there has been some recovery there. But we are talking about IEX. That continues to be our focus point. Vivek, tell us more.
Well, that's right. So IEX yesterday clearly grabbed all the headlines, almost a 28% downtake yesterday, trading, one of the steepest falls in the history. Delivery volumes there were quite large as well, indicating that it was actually cash-based selling that was happening as far as IEX was concerned. Now, two things to remember as far as technicals of the stock are concerned. Number one, yesterday as well as today, the stock is in the F&O band. So cannot take any new fresh F&O positions. So fresh longs and fresh shorts cannot be initiated on IEX. Now, the other important thing to note was that last evening, the company actually gave the exchanges their operational performance for the quarterly results, that is Q1 FY26 results, were largely along expected lines. Remember, IEX does share volume update at the end of every quarter. 15-16% volume uptake was seen. On the back of that, top line too grew in the range of 15%. However, most of the headlines continues to be grabbed by market coupling and the implementation. EBITDA not quite steady, 16% higher. EBITDA margins up 100 basis points. Profitability higher by 25%. Last evening, the company told the exchanges that they are reviewing the market coupling order. Today, we had the management on a challenge. What they're saying is that they are reviewing the order. At this point of time, they cannot comment whether they can go ahead and challenge this particular order in a higher court. Not only that, they're saying that the DAM market contributes almost a third of their total volumes. So they're saying that the impact will be limited. But despite that, the markets post this particular development, all of the sell-side analysts have actually gone ahead and downgraded both the valuation multiple as well as estimates. We had the management on a challenge earlier today. It will be interesting to see what exactly they told us, especially in terms of how they will react to market coupling.